Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you what is trial balance. Trial balance is a statement which shows debit balances and credit balances of all accounts in the ledger to test their arithmetical accuracy. So here we see what is trial balance. It's a statement that shows what? That shows the debit balances and credit balances of all the accounts in the ledger to test their arithmetical accuracy. Next, we are going to learn the objectives or functions of a trial balance. A. To ascertain the ledger account's arithmetical accuracy. B. To help in preparing the final accounts or financial statements. C. To help in finding the errors. D. To obtain a summary of ledger accounts. So again, we can see, I'm going to teach you again which are the objectives or functions of a trial balance. See, A, to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of ledger accounts. B, to help in preparing the financial statements or the final accounts. C, to help in locating or finding the errors. And D is to obtain a summary of the ledger accounts. Next, preparation of a trial balance. While preparing the trial balance, the following important points are to be considered. A trial balance, you have to prepare it on a particular date and it's not for a particular period. B, a trial balance is prepared with the help of both the ledger and the cash book. C, all the ledger accounts which show the debit balances are put on the debit side of the trial balance and the accounts which shows the credit balances are put on the credit side. If an account shows no balance, then that account is not included in the trial balance. E, if the total of the debit and credit columns is equal, we say that the trial balance is tallied. It said that the trial balance is tallied. F, all accounts of the assets, expenses and losses, they have a debit balance, and all the FGs, all accounts of liabilities, incomes and gains have a credit balance. Again, we look into the preparation of a trial balance. While preparing the trial balance, we have to consider the following important points. A trial balance is prepared on a particular date and it's not for a particular period. B, a trial balance is prepared with the help of ledger and cash book. C, all the ledger accounts which show the debit balances are put on the debit side of the trial balance and the accounts which show the credit balances are put on the credit side. D, if an account that shows no balance, then that account is not to be included in the trial balance. E, if the total of the debit and credit columns is equal, it said that the trial balance has tallied. F, all accounts of assets, expenses and losses, they have a debit balance. G, all accounts of liabilities, incomes and gains have a credit balance. Thank you, students.